how can they also excel in SAT to get their studies in US?
At an advantageous position. That's not the case always, because see, I've seen students coming from English medium background, but they are scared of mathematics. Surprisingly, around 20% of the students, it's rough. They say, absolutely mathematics gives me nightmares.
So first question যেটা স্টুডেন্ট অনেক সময় আমাদের কাছে এসে জিজ্ঞেস করে যে ইংলিশ তো আমরা পড়ি নাই বা তেমন ভাবে পড়ি নাই, স্পেশালি দিস ইজ হ্যাপেনিং উইথ দ্য কেস অফ বাংলা মিডিয়াম স্টুডেন্টস. সো as far as Bangla medium students are concerned, what do you think chances are there, or how can they also excel in SAT to get their studies in US?
That's a very common problem that we face. Students coming from English medium backgrounds, of course, at an advantageous position. All right? But that's not the case always, because see, I've seen students coming from English medium background, but they are scared of mathematics. And one of my questions to my new batch, every time I ask individually, I ask the students, are you scared of mathematics, or does mathematics scare you? Surprisingly, around 20% of the students, it's rough. They say, absolutely mathematics gives me nightmares. Mm-hmm. So then what my response is, why are you scared of mathematics? Have you ever thought of it? এই জীবনে আমরা যে জিনিস বুঝি না, anything that we don't understand, that's a mystery to us, we are scared of it. Once we understand what it is all about, mathematics becomes a piece of cake. Now, how do you do that? Unfortunately, people coming from various village schools or schools outside Dhaka, even in Dhaka, they have not studied mathematics in depth, tried to understand and do mathematics. So my approach to them is that from today onwards, you're going to understand what you are doing. If you don't understand, I am there to help you. But don't walk out of my room with a question mark on your face. Don't be afraid that if I ask questions, my fellow students are going to think I'm dumb. No way. If you don't understand a thing, please raise your hand. That's the only way. After all, you are all here to learn. All right? So that is answer number one. Number two, students coming from Bangla medium background, of course, I have seen that they are very good in mathematics, but their problem generally arises from terminology, right? If I tell them Shamabahu Tribhuj, they understand very easily. But the moment I tell them equilateral triangle, there's a question mark on their face. So we have got sheets with all the terminology to help those students, and that helps out a lot for the students.
That's exactly what sir is actually mentioning, is that আমাদের কাছে এমন কিছু ওয়েজ আছে বা শর্টকাটস আছে যেগুলো স্যার আমাদের কিভাবে হেল্প করতে পারবো আমরা, অ্যান্ড পাই ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি হেল্পিং ইউ আউট বাই প্রোভাইডিং ই লার্নিং. এখানে অনলাইন অ্যাসেসমেন্টস থাকে, যে তোমার যদি পার্টিকুলারলি একটা চ্যাপ্টারের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বা একটা পার্টিকুলার সাবজেক্টে প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, you don't have to fully study the whole part, but focus on the areas where you are lacking.
True.
And this is what we do. And arekta outstanding aspect hocche je we are giving you 1 year classes with one single admission. So even if you did not understand once, you have the choice, or you have the option to do the classes again without any extra cost.
Absolutely.
So this can help you. So as we always believe that practice makes perfect, so আমাদের পায়েতে এই ব্যবস্থাটা আছে যে if you are not able to understand, let it be English, let it be math, let it be one particular subject, let it be one particular topic which you are not understanding, all of these things can be easily targeted and help you out in this class. So how would you tell a Bangla medium student or any student who is starting their SAT journey, what would be the biggest advice?
The first thing is, people coming from a Bangla medium background, even English medium background, see, just speaking fluently in English does not guarantee that you are good in English.
Absolutely.
Okay? One of the most important aspects of the verbal portion of the SAT exam is the vocabulary. So at the beginning of each class, I spend about 15 minutes with SAT favorite words, SAT favorite words which occur on SAT regularly all the time, and we try to enhance their vocabulary knowledge, and we give them tips and techniques as to how to be able to remember those words, because there are after 20 or 30 words, there's every possibility that you'll mix up all the words.
Absolutely.
So we have some techniques that we teach them how to remember words. Number one. Number two, the other most important thing in SAT that I would like to mention is that the entire SAT test is now MCQ, all right, which is multiple choice questions. And the good news for students now is that the test has, I personally think that it has been simplified. Earlier, the SAT used to be 3 hours, 50 minutes.
That's quite a long time.
How long can your mind take it? All right. Now, SAT has come down to 2 hours, 14 minutes. And there is no negative marking. That's the good news. All right. So you answer all the questions. Even if you don't understand the question, just
tick
look
it
at
down.
it. Whichever looks good, tick it. I also tell that to my students.
Absolutely.
But don't come back leaving any question unanswered.
Absolutely.
Now to come to a very important, so Bangla medium students, of course, may have to study a little bit more as far as verbal is concerned. But mathematics, once they understand the terminologies, I don't think there is any problem with mathematics for them.
So it is actually a myth, which we can say that SAT is the property of English medium students. This is not true, as Sir just mentioned with us, that we can use our strengths to make sure, we can exploit a lot of marks back in mathematics. And if we do our practice properly, if we are attending our classes properly at 𝐴, you will not be facing any other problems with that.
Very correct.